program to generate a multiplication table. So we need to declare the variable to be used in the program. So we are using variable k and comma and p in the program. We are using two variables, and the two variable has been declared to be an integer value. So let's try to assign 1 into k, so that at the end of the program, they start the counter from 1. We have initialized our k to be 1. So while we set up the condition for the iteration, k is less than or equal to 12. So I want to generate a multiplication table 5 times 1 to 5 times 12. So there should be an open and close parenthesis that will take charge of the loop. So let's store our result in p. P is equal to 5, since I'm using it to generate a multiplication table 5 times k. So at the end of each statement you put semicolon. That's part of the syntax rule. I've done that. Let's print out the results using system.out.println. So I can have my result printed out here, which is 5 multiply then that one is literal. We have to put in quotes. So join it with the value of kb multiplied. So you also join it with in quotes, where in quotes you put the assignment equal to. So then we now join it with the results. So that's a simple program to generate a multiplication of 5. That's 5 table. Let's see what the system will give us. This is an infinity loop. Let me go back to correct it. There should be an incremental value here. In order not to have infinity. So by the time the loop is by the time the k is increasing, when getting to 12, it will get out of the loop. So let's run it. So this is a simple program to generate a multiplication table. Thanks.